Established companies can build long-term relationships within minutes, but you being a new internet marketer need to maintain efficient email marketing to maximize your profits. You need to build trust with your customers and a consistent relationship. This will primarily strengthen the long-lasting engagement with your customers. You don't need to be irritating or annoying to develop consistency, meaning don't overdo it by sending too many emails. More emails doesn't mean consistency. You should send regular emails to your customers that are helpful and useful, not irrelevant, overwhelming, and unnecessary emails. Now, be professional, not spammy. You can personalize emails by structuring them according to the customer's purchase history and sending them offers of their interest. Highlight products in your emails based on your customer's interest. Ask their opinion in your email, and also ask them their preference on the frequency of email. By involving them, they feel good and know that you care. This will help you to develop a continuing and durable relationship with your customers. A major number of online marketers and entrepreneurs assume that people want to hear from them and therefore send out dozens of emails without a proper strategy. The main focus of your email marketing should be to get the email read and clicked by the targeted user, and for that, it's essential that the email not only has the capability to keep the attention of the reader, but also avoid being thought of as unnecessary marketing junk. Just think of the email address of the customer as their home letter box where they receive all their letters. I get letters, and so do you. What happens when we get some marketing leaflets alongside our letters? We keep the letters, move aside all the marketing stuff, and open the letters. Well, same principles apply here. We do not want our recipients to move aside our emails like the marketing junk. We want our emails to be one of those letters that gets opened. Therefore, we need to send our email as a letter and not a leaflet. What gets a letter opened? You can't really tell who or where the letter is from until you open it, right? So we need to have an awesome subject line, relevant to our readers to get our email opened, and then have content that appeals to them to get our click-through. In such a competitive market, it is essential that our email is designed to appeal to our customer straight off the bat. Create templates that naturally follow the line of sight and person's movement on a page. To enhance the email performance, we need to consider how we can build a good relationship with our customers with our emails. Following are the 3 ways to do it. 3 ways to build a strong relationship with your customers. Number 1, meet the requirements. Like any other relationship, consistency and steadiness are very essential. They are the integral part of brand-subscriber relationship. Just as in a personal relationship, inconsistency may lead to trust issues. The email subscribers will also be repelled if there are any signs of inconsistency in the emails. To achieve consistency, there should be a planned strategy so as to when and how to email your subscribers. Send your emails at the same time as you normally would do to that specific recipient, as they could be expecting emails from you at that time. Appropriate subject lines, sender's name and address, and content will help in achieving this. Now, that doesn't mean you can't change your emails. Sure you can. A little change here and there is fine. Just remember to keep consistency in everything you do, though. 2. Productive and useful, always. Give your subscribers a reason to open your email. Interesting subject lines with good content and product details. Take advantage of technology and collect the personal data of your subscriber based upon the past purchases and send details of relevant offers and products. It is after this that the customer will continue to engage with you. Smart entrepreneurs and marketers use this strategy to create a long-term relationship to yield results. 3. Let the subscribers decide. Let your subscribers decide. Set up your game and ask your subscribers for their preferences. Ask them when, how, and where they want the emails. This way, the subscriber can receive the offers well suited to their schedule. Each subscriber has different preferences. They may want to have daily, weekly, or monthly alerts. Whatever their preference is, there should be options to accommodate your subscriber.